Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a really important topic: safe social media use, how to avoid oversharing and online scams. Social media is an amazing way to connect with friends, family, and even professional communities. But with that freedom also comes risk. Cybercriminals, scammers, and even strangers with bad intentions can take advantage of the information we share online. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips to protect yourself from oversharing, reduce exposure to online scams, and keep your personal data safe. Let's start with oversharing. We've all seen it: people posting vacation dates, expensive purchases, or even daily routines. At first, it may seem harmless. But here's the reality. Cybercriminals can piece together details about your life from your posts, your address, workplace, travel plans, and even your family members. Burglars might notice you're out of town because you've posted vacation photos in real time. Identity thieves can use personal information like your birthday, your mother's maiden name, or even your pet's name, details often used as security questions. Oversharing essentially gives strangers a blueprint of your life. A good rule of thumb is, if you wouldn't announce it with a megaphone in a public square, don't post it online. Now let's talk about online scams that thrive on social media. Some of the most common include phishing messages. You might get a friend request or direct message with a suspicious link. Clicking it could steal your login credentials. Fake giveaways and prizes. You've won an iPhone. All you need to do is enter personal details or pay a small fee. This is almost always a scam. Romance scams. Scammers build fake online relationships, then slowly ask for money, gift cards, or sensitive details. Impersonation accounts. Someone creates a fake profile using your pictures and name to trick your friends into giving up information. Remember this: if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Always double-check the source and never click on suspicious links. Here are 5 best practices you should adopt today. Adjust your privacy settings. Most platforms allow you to control who sees your posts. Keep profiles private whenever possible. Limit personal information. Avoid sharing addresses, phone numbers, financial details, or daily routines publicly. Be cautious with location sharing. Turn off automatic location tagging. Post vacation pictures after you return, not while you're away. Verify before you click. Don't trust every link or friend request. Check for spelling errors, unusual messages, or unfamiliar accounts. Enable 2-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security in case someone tries to hack your account. Let me give you a couple of real-world examples. A young professional once posted a photo of her new driver's license on Instagram to celebrate passing the test. Within hours, scammers had taken her personal details and opened fake accounts in her name. Another case: a family shared vacation photos while still abroad. Their home was burglarized because thieves knew they weren't home. Both situations could have been avoided with a little more caution online. To wrap this up, think twice before you post. Protect your privacy settings. Stay skeptical of offers that seem too good to be true. And always remember, what goes online stays online. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, because online safety is something we all need to take seriously. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on cybersecurity, data privacy, and staying safe online. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.